Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We have a very old FabFitFun box. It's perfect timing because spoilers are starting. If you're seeing this video, my guess is it is the Wednesday of spoiler week for FabFitFun, so some spoilers are already out. Maybe one of my spoiler videos is already out. Fingers crossed that we can do it this year, but we'll see. And maybe not. But it's a great time to start talking about FabFitFun because everybody's thinking about it. It is a seasonal lifestyle subscription box, and it is one of my favorite boxes. It's usually the box that I recommend if somebody's never had a subscription box before, because you get a lot of variety, and there are things I've definitely been not happy with, but I've always got my money's worth. So it's always, to me, been a box that I feel comfortable recommending. Whereas there's a few other boxes where sometimes the box is such a dud, especially beauty boxes, that I don't feel comfortable saying that I've been happy every box that I've received. I feel like this box is like larger than me and that I could maybe fit inside of it if I really wanted to. But let's open her up and get the winter box out. Yeah, we're still in winter. I did travel a lot, to be fair. I traveled a lot. I took an escape for sure in the month of December, and I don't think I was home. I was home like 5 days out of the entire month. I got to go to Costa Rica, which was really, really cool. And I do have an EverythingProof travel channel that I was never great at making videos for because when I'm traveling, I like to just enjoy where I am more than film it. But I did film some stuff in Costa Rica, so there might be a video popping up over there. Can you imagine how long I've had this sitting here? I don't even know. So let's just open it and then see what I have because it has been a long time since I customized this. So long, in fact, that it is almost time to customize the next box completely next season. Spring is never my favorite FabFitFun box. Actually, summer and winter always end up being my favorites. And then spring, I don't know why, I just like never get attached to anything in spring. And then fall ends up being the least favorite because I'm a fall girl. I was born in fall, and to me, it just, fall's the best season. I don't know how anyone could argue that, but it never feels fall. Like, that box never feels fall to me. Winter and summer do feel winter and summer to me. So here is the Winter 2022 FabFitFun magazine. I always say it's very magazine-like, which I don't even know what that means, but I've always said it and I continue to say it. It does have like recipes, and sometimes it does talk about the products. They now put a QR code for you to be able to find the products, but you do get some like pages that's dedicated to one of the products or one of the brands in the box, so that's pretty cool. There's always horoscope. If you're a stars and moons and what are the planets doing to me type of girl, that's on there. And there's always recipes, which I like. I usually rip them out. And here we go. It's sugar recipes this time. Ginger molasses cookies. That sounds delicious. Bubbly champagne cupcakes. Okay, I would totally make that. And then they used to have a clue in the back. I don't know if they do this time because they stopped doing it for a second. And let me see. There's sometimes a clue for the spring or the next box, which would be our spring box, which is literally about to come out right now. So it'd be cool if we could think about it while we are filming this, and then maybe we'll have our first clue. I don't see a clue anywhere. It used to be on the back, so the fact that I don't see it and we're already all the way to the front probably means there's no clue this time. No, there's not. But let me pull up on my phone because they did not save any trees. They gave me a full sheet with a QR code for me to see what I customized. Be the first to know. Okay, you can opt into text messaging now. I do like that. Oh, I got a refill. Oh, so I always get a refill mystery bundle. Are you kidding me? That's my refill bundle. So a refill bundle is $14.99 and you just get like 3 or 4 random items. I'm pretty sure my refill bundle in there has an unhide little marshmallow, which I am obsessed with. Like, nobody knows my love for unhide little marshmallows because the amount that I have in my home there's 3 people that live here, by the way. The blankets outnumber dogs and people maybe like 10 to 1. I'm not exaggerating. Do we love them? Yes, yes we do. So it says I got a refill, and I saw in there a little pack of 3, and there was an unhide little marshmallow in there. So I don't know how that happened. The universe really, really hooked me up. But the first thing that I customized, cause duh, was this unhide pillow. So these back here are unhide pillows as well. I got these in a sale. I said these because there was 2 of them, but there's only 1 right now, so I don't know where the other one is. But I knew that I was gonna love this. And it's made from the same material as that blanket. Let me rip this so that I can cut that sound out. This is immediately going on my bed. So the silver fox color definitely matches because it's kind of blue and kind of gray, you know? Who cares? Because it's unhide, it's going in there either way. But yeah, this is so cute. So cute. Very small, but very, very cute. It is a $55 retail value, so this is faux fur, and the brand was started or co-founded by Ellen DeGeneres, so like she does have some, no, there's some negatives out there about her, but faux fur and like give back brand and all those things, so I love that. So the brand is a good brand. I don't know too much about the person. $55 retail value right off the bat. The next thing that I got is from Sur La Table or Sur La Table or whatever, however you want to say it, how French or not French you want to try to say it. It's a 4-piece silicone set. I don't think I did spoilers. Did I not do spoilers at all for winter? I don't think I did. You guys, my life was literally, I wish I could tell you how unhappy I was. I was just crazy working from September through December. I like felt like an avalanche of work was on me every single day, and I literally submitted a resignation to my job. I haven't officially given an end date or anything like that, but I was just like, I can't do it anymore. That was the level of workload that I was dealing with, and my boss has been amazing. So no hate to my work. My boss is like literally trying to fix it. My boss has hired people to help me and all these things. Definitely really putting in the work to make sure that I'm leaving work on time because he didn't know I was that unhappy. I'm not good at telling people. I usually just, you know, suffer in silence and just like, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna get through it. So partly on me as well. So unfortunately you did not get to hear me talk about these, and how the one thing I am upset about is that you have to hand wash them because the top is silicone and then this wood is beech wood, but they say you have to hand wash them. So I'm a little bit upset about that, but they're just so cute and so perfect. And I love this like dark with light wood. I don't know why, like the contrast. I just loved it from the photos. So I had to have, my home has a lot of black, white, and gray and gold. Like no matter what room you're in, you'll see black, white, gray, and gold. That gray fits in just perfectly. And the retail value for that was kind of steep. They say $40. I'm not gonna spend $40 on I don't care how long those last, to be honest. But I didn't spend that because I got it in a box. So you know what I mean? Works out for us. The next item is from Chinese Laundry, and they're slippers. You gotta love a good slipper, right? This box had a lot of winter vibes. I'm very proud of FabFitFun for, you know, like putting in the work to make it feel very wintry. They feel like they're gonna be comfortable. Let me put them on my feet, actually. They're really cool. Look at how pretty the color is. And then this fuzziness, this is what we're talking about right here. Feels so great. Okay, let's put them on our feet. Okay, don't forget to pull this out of the tip because it's way in there. And I just put my foot in there and realized there's no way that's meant to be there. But it's faux fur and faux suede. Ooh, they do fit perfect. So I got an 8-9, and I usually fit in a 7.5 or 8 shoe size. You want a little bit of extra, I feel like, when it comes to house slippers. I don't know why. I just feel like you don't want it to be huge, but you want like a little bit of extra space. I don't know my reasoning for it. I just know that it's solid advice. So I went and sized up, and the retail value for this is $39.95. And I tell you right now, my feet feel amazing in them. Hopefully they last. I hope the quality's there. Chinese Laundry is a brand where usually you expect pretty good quality. The next thing that I got, and I don't remember selecting this, but it's here, are these Sonage. Sonage is a cruelty-free brand, by the way. It is these mini ice globes. So I already have the large versions of these and I do like them. They are glass. I don't know if these are also glass. I don't remember, but the other ones that I have are glass. So be careful when you're opening this. I know it's funny that I'm telling you that because you've already opened your box. You're not a psycho like me that just lets it sit there staring at you, but these are so cute. Oh my God. Okay. I feel like it's funny because when I normally open boxes, I feel like I'm showing you something for the first time. You've definitely either seen like 20 channels already show you this, unless you've like been under a rock or you don't even know what FabFitFun is. Same. But otherwise, if you are a FabFitFun customer, like I know you guys. I was you guys. I still am you guys. We don't wait. We literally hunt clues for the next box before we even have this box. Like, we're gonna do spring spoilers right now. People are immediately gonna start looking for summer stuff and leaks and all the things. Like we have zero patience, but that's okay. So you put these in the fridge, not the freezer. I remember that from the other ones. You're not really supposed to put them in the freezer, unless maybe if you put them in there really quickly, I don't know. But you put them in the fridge and then they get cold, and then these are like the perfect size for right here, the little wrinkles on your eyes right there, you know, or like under eye bags. You feel me? So these are super cute. I love this brand a lot, actually. So I don't remember adding them to my box, but I know why I would, because I love them. The next brand I love as well, it's another skincare brand that I love. This is from Karuna, and it says Drenched in Tone Duo 4-piece sheet mask set. So Karuna, we used to have, I think it came twice in FabFitFun in the past, and it was the same product, so it was like a throwback the second time. But it has one of my favorite masks in it, so much so that I went to Karuna's website and I bought like a pack of 10 of just that mask. FabFitFun turns me on to skincare a lot, and why not try some new ones? So the Drench sheet mask has peony and prickly pear. Prickly pear is quite an expensive ingredient, actually, because you can only get so much from prickly pear is like cactus, right? So you can only get so much oil and liquid from that because they're kind of dry. And then the other one is black hoof mushroom and antioxidants. And so yeah, one of these is for drenching, which I'm guessing is hydration. The other one is for toning. I'm excited. 2 of each. Get to try some new masks from a brand that I already know that I love. Next up, and it's the last thing that I got. This is really cute, but I definitely don't remember choosing this. Was there a mystery item? Did I select a mystery item, or did I select this? I really don't remember selecting this. And I have a lot of hats. I do love hats. I don't need the amount that I currently have, but I keep buying more because I just love them. But it kind of looks like teddy bear in white. And I do have a snowboarding trip planned soon with some friends, so maybe I'll bring this with me if it looks good on me. We'll see. You guys be the judge. If you haven't found a comment to leave, you can tell me if this looks good or bad. But mostly if it looks good, because I have feelings. This is from Lemon Snow, and it is the drift hat. Or maybe it's from Lemon, and it's the snow drift hat for a $30 retail value. So originally I thought maybe it was part of my customization. Now I realize I definitely paid extra, and that's just because I love Unhide, and I realized I could get both pillows. It came in 2 colors. I realized I could get both, so I did. And so the other one is more of a cream color, and I saw it in here. Pretty much exactly like her sister over here, except a different color. This one's a little more blue. This one's just, you know, cool tone, warm tone. Ooh, I didn't even notice that it has a zipper in the back, so it's easy to clean. No zipper. So they have upgraded since the like 4 years ago when I got those in the sale. And now those, you know, you can pull that cover off. I definitely paid extra for that last item, but let's talk about this mystery bundle that I got for $14.99. And it literally has like a $50 whatever blanket in it. What kind of look is this? Also, I feel like their mystery bundles, these mystery bundles, have been very similar, so like that means other people got this as well. I take one of these with me on every trip that I go on. So this is the small blanket in charcoal. I don't remember how much the small blanket is worth, but like for some reason I think it's $50. I might be wrong. Then from Daily Concepts, I got 2 No Lines Left in Hair Absorb Moisture Daily Scrunchies. Organic cotton, organic and vegan. Daily Concept is also cruelty free. Anything in here secures hair comfortably without pulling hair, leaving indentations. Absorbs moisture if you wear while working out. I don't feel like this is the type of scrunchie I would wear while working out. Also, I don't feel like my hair gets that wet. Like, how much are you working out for your hair to be sweating? Like, I get some perspiration in my hair, but not like in my ponytail. I don't know. I was thinking it absorbs water from when you get out of the shower, but this does not look like it's a towel scrunchie. So it looks like it's just like a light bit of moisture absorption. And then from London Town, honestly, like the Unhide already did it for me for $14, $14.99. I don't even know how. So all this is just bonus. And this looks like, ooh, this is really fancy. These are my actual nails, by the way. I just put gels on them and I have no idea how I was able to grow them out this much because I was a chronic nail biter. And then one day I was just like, no, I'm not going to bite my nails ever again. And I literally did it. I don't know how. Willpower. That's how. So these are useful for me because these aren't acrylic or anything. So like, I feel like this is the type of thing you would, do you still use these for acrylics? I don't know. I don't know if you can still use this on acrylic or you have to go in and get whatever done, you know? That was for $14.99. Like, the refill mystery bundles have been a steal for me. I don't think I've ever received one that I was like, that was awful. Especially it's only $14.99. Like, what? Okay, that is my video. If you stuck around and watched me unbox a last season box all the way through, like, wow, thank you. I feel like I should leave like a special word or code or something that just so I know, you know. I want it to like be something that sounds natural in a comment, so I don't even know what to put. Just call me EP. Put EP at the beginning of your comment or the end of your comment, like bye EP or hi EP. So EP stands for Everything Proof. Some people are going to write that anyways, but I feel like not that often in comments. It's more like when someone's talking to me in a live or something, they might call me EP. So put that in your comment somewhere. And I know that you made it to the end of this like probably kind of long video about something that you've definitely already seen at least 10 videos. You're the real ones, all right? You're the real MVPs. And so I will say at the end of this video now too, that I am gonna do my best to get FabFitFun spoiler research done. Everybody loves those videos. Everybody asks me for those videos. When I don't do them, I'm getting like constant Instagram messages. Like, are you gonna do the videos? When are they gonna be up? When's the next one gonna be up? Like, blah, blah, blah. And like, I love you guys so much. This channel would be nothing if it wasn't for those videos, because the second I started posting them, like all my subscribers, like I kept getting subscribers and subscribers and subscribers. So it holds a special place in my heart because I am kind of like, I don't even know what the right word is. A little bit crazy. That's what the word is. I'm a little bit crazy when it comes to research. I like to know as much as I possibly can know about as much as I possibly can know. So part of that is a gift and part of it is a curse. Luckily, I found a way that I can share it and it benefits, you know, the greater good because all of you make more informed decisions without having to have my level of crazy in your head. So those were things that I was already doing. Like before I made my selections, I was checking every single product. I was reading many reviews. I was checking every ingredient. What does this ingredient do? What does that ingredient do? Like, what can I not mix with this? What order am I like all of those things I was already looking up. It was just memorizing that information so I can say it, getting it on a video, and then editing the video. So it does take extra time in all of those steps. The acquiring of the information already happens. The getting it to you guys is the part that, I'm not gonna lie, is time intensive, but how fruitful is it? Because like thousands of people watch those videos usually. So I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna get you as much information as I can. I may get all of the customizations, I may not. Sometimes I don't, but just know that I always try. We're back on track. You're gonna see more videos from me, and we're hoping those spoiler videos you know, we're hoping we're gonna get them all. So thank you guys so much for watching my super long video that doesn't even matter anymore because it's so old of a box. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!